Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a template in OneNote and add OneNote templates to pages. This is a fantastic feature that can save you time and keep your notes organized, especially if you're managing recurring projects or need consistent formatting across multiple pages. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the notebook where you want to work with templates. This is important because templates are tied to specific notebooks, so having the right one open from the start will save you from having to switch later. Once your notebook has been loaded, head to the Insert tab located on the top part of your screen where your menu and tools are located. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your pages, including templates. Click on it, and from here you'll see the Page Templates option. Go ahead and click on Page Templates, and you'll notice a right side panel appears. This is where all the page templates and designs are stored. This panel is your command center for managing templates, and it's where you'll both create new ones and apply existing ones to your pages. Now, to create a template, first check if you've already designed and customized your page. If you have a page layout that you love and want to reuse, this is where you'll save it. Look at the bottom part of your Templates menu, and you'll see a section labeled Create New Template. Under it, click on the option that says Save Current Page as Template. This stores the design you've made on your page and provides access by storing it directly in this template menu. From now on, whenever you need that exact layout, you won't have to recreate it from scratch. It's a huge time saver, especially for weekly reports, meeting notes, or project plans that follow the same structure. Now, adding a template to your page is quite straightforward. Simply click on the Template Category drop-down. The listed categories are academic, business, decorative, and planners, and these categories help you quickly find templates that match your needs. Click on any category and you'll see available templates you can use on your page. Each template comes with a brief description so you know exactly what you're getting. Simply click on the link below with their description to apply a page template. Once you click it, the template will instantly be applied to your current page, giving it structure and style without any extra effort. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and apply templates in OneNote, making your note-taking more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.